Hi, this is Alicia from Thumbstopper, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add content into Thumbstopper's Brand Manager. From the main page in your dashboard, you'll want to click on the Content tab, and then this green button right here, Add Content. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and upload your photos or videos. So I'm going to hit this button, choose my files, and then hit Save. Now you'll see that my photos automatically uploaded for both Facebook and Instagram. The next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and create your post text. Now with this post text, I'm going to go ahead and customize it for my dealers. So I'm going to hit the people icon and insert their website address. This website address is something that's populated automatically from Facebook. It uses the website address that the dealer has set up for themselves. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and copy and paste this for Instagram, and again add in our website address for the dealer. Now for retailer eligibility, this piece of content is pretty evergreen, so I'm going to go ahead and put my end date out a few months. Next, we're going to want to choose which region this is for. In this particular case, again, this is a piece of content that can work anywhere, so I'm going to go ahead and select all regions. The post text is in English, so we can leave our language as English. And then this brand is for my Power Boats line. And the last thing we're going to do is hit the Save and Approve button. All right, so now you'll be able to find my piece of content under the Approved bucket. If we click that, then we can see my post. Double check it. If we want to, we can go ahead and preview it for each platform. Looks good, and this piece of content is ready to syndicate to my dealers. Super simple to add content in manually, or you can always have your content fed in through your own Facebook or Instagram pages. Again, my name's Alicia, and if you want to learn more about our brand management software, visit us at thumbstopper.com.